In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board in Monday.com, 5 minutes. If you've ever built a great workflow and want to reuse it without starting from scratch, duplicating a board is the fastest way to do it. I'll walk you through the process and explain the options so you copy exactly what you need. First, sign into your Monday.com account and make sure you're in the right workspace, especially if your organization uses multiple workspaces or private boards. Open the board you want to copy. You'll need edit permissions on that board to duplicate it. In the top right corner, click the three-dot More menu to open the board actions. Choose More Actions, then select Duplicate Board. A duplication window appears. Give the new board a clear, unique name. Adding template or a date can help teammates instantly understand its purpose. If prompted, confirm the destination workspace so the copy lands in the right place. Now decide what to include. Structure copies the groups, columns, views, and automations without any items. Items adds the rows themselves. Updates brings over the conversation threads on each item. Subscribers copies the people who follow the board. For a clean template, use structure only. For a working copy that keeps the same rows but not their activity, include items. Bring updates only if you truly need past discussions, and copy subscribers only if the same group should have access to the new board. When you're happy with the settings, click Duplicate. Larger boards can take a moment, so give it time to finish. You'll be taken to the new board when it's ready. After it opens, scan the groups, columns, and views to confirm everything carried over as expected. Spot check automations and integrations to make sure they're enabled and pointing to the right places. If you copied items, adjust owners and date fields so you don't trigger unintended notifications or overdue reminders. If you skipped subscribers, add the right people now and set the board's privacy according to your team's standards. A quick tip: establish a naming convention for your duplicated boards, especially if you'll use them as templates. Consistent names and locations make it easy for teammates to find the right board and reduce accidental edits in the original. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a board in Monday.com and tailored it to your needs. Save this process as your go-to method whenever you want to spin up a fresh board without rebuilding from scratch.